Eastern Michigan, southern Shiawassee County in southeastern Michigan, northern Livingston County in southeastern Michigan, southern Genesee County in southeastern Michigan until 2 p.m. At 1:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cary, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Fowlerville around 1:10 p.m., Bancroft around 1:15 p.m., Oaxaca and Oak Grove around 1:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Byron, James, Linden, Phantom, Lake Fenton, and Holly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Genesee, Livingston, Oakland, and Shiawassee. County in southeastern Michigan until 2:45 p.m. At 1:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Goodrich or near Grand Blanc, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Goodrich around 1:55 p.m., Ortonville around 2 p.m., Hadley around 2:05 p.m., Lapeer and Metamora around 2:15 p.m., Dryden around 2:25 p.m., Inlet City around 2:30 p.m., Beaumont around 2:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Kettlers, Goodland Township, Lakeville, Burnside, Attica, Elba, Holly State Recreation Area, Leonard, Kings Mill, and Thornville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Genesee, Lapeer, and Oakland. A severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Detroit has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Oakland County in southeastern Michigan, southern Shiawassee County in southeastern Michigan, northern Livingston County in southeastern Michigan, southern Genesee County in southeastern Michigan until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cary, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Fowlerville around 1:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Bancroft around 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Oaxaca and Oak Grove around 1:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Byron, James, Linden, Phantom, Lake Fenton, and Holly. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Concert schedule.
This is the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids. The
signal you just heard was our weekly test of the No Weather Radio warning alarm system. We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised, the weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga, those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz from West Olive, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, La Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz from Canonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Lakeville, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. On 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and La Costa. This concludes the test of the No Weather Radio warning alarm device.
West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning alarm system for NOAA All Hazards radio station, KIH-29. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting only the following southeast lower Michigan counties: Genesee, Saginaw, Shiawassee, Lapeer, Tuscola, Bay, Midland, Livingston, Oakland, and Huron. This concludes the test of NOAA weather radio station KIH-29. We now return to the normal broadcast. Small grass could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. A strong thunderstorm will be near. Gravelly shoals around 9 p.m. Bayport around 9:20 p.m. Kaysville around 9:30 p.m. Port Austin around 9:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the strong thunderstorm include Bayport. Move to Safe Harbor until hazardous weather passes.
It's never been easier to juice more fruits and vegetables.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a severe thunderstorm
threat for widespread thunderstorm warning for northeastern Saginaw County in southeastern Michigan until 10:15 p.m. At 9:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Saginaw, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bridgeport around 9:35 p.m. Frankenmuth around 10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Swan Creek, Shiawassee National Wildlife Refuge, Carrollton, Arthur, Jarrah, Buena Vista Township, Newtown, and Shields. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following county: Saginaw, Michigan, Harris, Wilmot, Hawkins, Woodville, Broadby, and Chippewa. Here is the
National Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Huron County in southeastern Michigan until 10:45 p.m. At 9:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pigeon, Oregon, 8 miles southwest of Kaysville, moving east at 20. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pigeon around 10 p.m. Kaysville around 10:05 p.m. Elkton around 10:15 p.m. Kindy around 10:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Kennebunk, Bayport, and Cillian. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following county: Huron, Michigan.
National Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for inner and outer Saginaw Basin until 10:15 p.m. At 9:37 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles north of Seba Wing, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Bayport around 9:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the strong thunderstorm include Bayport. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Heavy rain will likely persist through 11 p.m. Some locations that will The National Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Huron County in southeastern Michigan until 10:45 p.m. At 9:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pigeon, Oregon, 8 miles southwest of Kaysville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pigeon around 10 p.m. Kaysville around 10:05 p.m. Elkton around 10:15 p.m. Kindy around 10:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Kennebunk, Bayport, and Cillian. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following county: Huron, Michigan. 162.525 megahertz from the broadcast tower of Central Michigan University. A severe thunderstorm warning. Heavy rain over SE2. Possible and scattered thunderstorms. Dry up and thunderstorm warning for southern Tuscola County in southeastern Michigan, northern Lapeer County in southeastern Michigan until 11:15 p.m. At 10:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Otter Lake or near Millington, moving at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lakeville around 10:40 p.m. North Branch around 10:55 p.m. Clifford around 11 p.m. Kingston around 11:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Camp Burnside, Silverwood, and Fostoria. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Lapeer, and Tuscola. Was 60 degrees with light rain, and in Marquette, light rain was falling with a temperature of 52. Here is per hour in the afternoon. Chance of rain 70%. Winds 1 to 3 feet. North winds 10 to 15 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots in the late evening and early morning.
This is the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids. The signal you just heard was our weekly test of the NOAA Radio warning alarm system. We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga. Those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Hingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz from West Allo. Those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Hesperia. Those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz from Cannonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Berry, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Berry, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. On 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the No Weather Radio warning alarm device.
Thanks for listening. Thursday night, north winds 10 to 15 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots in the late evening and early morning. See Lake Huron open lake forecast for days 3 through 5. Here is the forecast for the Southern Valley. Not as warm. Cloudy. Scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms in the morning. Then numerous showers and scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the vicinity 8 miles north of Plain, 5 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Tonight, numerous showers and scattered thunderstorms in the evening. Then numerous showers after midnight. Source lows in the lower 60s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Thursday, cloudy. Numerous showers in the morning, then scattered showers in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 70s. North winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of showers 60%. And now the forecast for Monday vicinity. Not as warm. Cloudy. Scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms in the morning. Then numerous showers and scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon. report from National Weather was not available. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. South central lower Michigan, 7%. Fog was reported numerous showers and scattered thunderstorms. And clouds in the lower weather conditions were not available. Northeast wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Northern lower Michigan, thunderstorm temperature of 67 showers and 66 in Traverse City. And Elkins, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 59. Southwest wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Michigan, skies ranged from mostly sunny to partly sunny, and temperatures were between 82 and 85 degrees. In the upper peninsula, favorable wind was 64 degrees under cloudy skies. In Marquette, it was cloudy with a temperature of 57. In neighboring states, Chicago was 84 degrees under cloudy sunny skies. In Cleveland, it was mostly sunny and the temperature was 86. Once again, at noon, the report from Mount Pleasant was not available. Now here is your local forecast. West of today, showers and thunderstorms likely. Highs in the lower 70s. East winds around 10 miles per hour, becoming northeast in the afternoon. Chance of rain 70%. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Gratiot County in central Michigan, northeastern Clinton County in south central Michigan until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was located near Elsie, or 6 miles northeast of St. John's, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Elsie around 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now. To a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Now here is your local forecast. To the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southern Gratiot and northern Clinton counties. At 1:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of St. John, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. This warning includes the following counties: Fairfax, Genesee, Lapeer, Livingston, Saginaw, and Shiawassee. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in your room and close to the watch area of building. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons know welcome to alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, local radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The current time is 1:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located in
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clinton County in south central Michigan until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near St. John's, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidewalks, Sighting. Entries. Locations impacted include St. John's, Elsie, Hogan. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
70%. Tonight, numerous showers and scattered thunderstorms in the area. Numerous showers after midnight. With cloudy, with a temperature of 51 in the upper peninsula. With cloudy, it was 57 in
National Weather Service in Detroit has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Shiawassee County in southeastern Michigan until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Henderson or near Toronto, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and any size hail. Source,
Shiawassee County in southeastern Michigan until 2:45 p.m. At 1:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Henderson or near Toronto, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near until around 2 p.m. Run at around 2:10 p.m. Duration length around 2:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Judgeville, Bennington, Carland, and Vernon. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties: Shiawassee, Michigan, North Star, Maple Rapids, Ashley, Tarrant, Pompey, Middleton, Bannister, Northern Oakland County in southeastern Michigan until 3:45 p.m. At 2:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hollywood, moving at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ortonville and Clarkson around 3:05 p.m. Oxford around 3:25 p.m. Almont around 3:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lakeville, Pittsburgh, Holly State Recreation Area, Leonard, Rose Center, Lake Orion, Thornville, Lake Angeles, Auburn Hills, and Rochester Hills. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Michigan, Lapeer, and Oakland. Chance of showers. Lows in the Tuesday, thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oakland County in southeastern Michigan until 4 p.m. At 2:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over West Bloomfield or near Novi, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near West Bloomfield around 3 p.m. Southfield and Birmingham around 3:20 p.m. Royal Oak and Detroit Zoo around 3:25 p.m. Troy around 3:30 p.m. Warren around 3:35 p.m. Sterling Heights around 3:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Franklin, Eagle Harbor, Orchard Lake, Commerce, Lazard Village, Bingham Farms, Farmington Hills, Pleasant Ridge, Huntington Woods, and Wolverine Lake. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties: Oakland, Michigan.
Okay, you know what? Okay, I'm not staying here. Dissecting a kiss to do anything. I have to find...
Hamilton County in southeastern Michigan, Northern Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan until 4:45 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southwest of Fowlerville to near Stockbridge to near Jackson, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Gregory around 3:50 p.m. Powell and Pinckney around 4 p.m. Chelsea around 4:05 p.m. Brighton, Dexter and Hamrick around 4:15 p.m. Whitmore Lake around 4:20 p.m. Ann Arbor around 4:25 p.m. South Lyon around 4:30 p.m. Salem around 4:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Plainfield, Hudson Mills Metro Park, Island Lake State Recreation Area, Del Mills, Martin Hills, Pinckney State Recreation Area, Hudson Mills, Parker's Corners, Lakeland and Linden Township. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Livingston and Washtenaw. The severe thunderstorm warning for South. Strong thunderstorm was located 11 nautical miles west of Whitestone Point, likely overnight 30 knots. Lows in the lower 60s. Wind gusts 34 knots for green. 5 to 10 miles per hour. In the evening becoming light. Small chance of rain damage, progressively higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Showers and thunderstorm will be near. Gravity shows around 5:05 p.m. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts around 20 miles per hour. Frequent light waves occurring with this storm. Wednesday night, open water stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Lows in the mid-50s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.